Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Al-Bukhari International University, a top private university in Malaysia offering fully funded scholarships for international students. So if you are interested, stick around as I walk you through the eligibility, benefit, and how to apply this scholarship. Alhamdulillah, welcome back. So as you can see on the screen, we have entered the official website of the university. So what we need to do, we need to know the requirement and the benefit of this scholarship and the programs available for us to apply. So first of all, we need to check the programs available. So when you come to this place, we have a School of Business and Social Science, we have School of Education and Human Science. These are the programs available. So what we are interested in is the scholarship. So we are going direct to the scholarships area and we are going to click it. So now it has opened for us. So we are going to go through the criteria. So one, we have the age limit, which is between 18 and 22. And you must be single marital status, and household income below 300 USD. Applicant must not have family members who have been sponsored by Al-Bukhari International Al-Bukhari Foundation. So these are the criteria for the scholarships. So what we are going to do now is we are going to download this declaration form and fill it. So you have to fill this form before you start the application, because when you are applying, you are going to upload this document. So you are going to click it like this, then it will download directly. Then you fill this form. You are going to fill it. Make sure you fill everything correctly. So after that, after filling the form, there is another document which is the guidelines. You need to read it, understand it. It will help you through the application process. So it has opened like this. So this is the document. This is the document. So you have to go through this document, understand it, and start the application process. So let's go back. So currently we have finished the most important things on the application process. So what we are going to do is to come to this place. We have apply now. So we have undergraduate and we have postgraduate. For the purpose of this video, we are going to click undergraduate. So now these are the most important things. You are about to embark on an academic journey with us. To ensure a smooth and successful application process, we kindly recommend reviewing all the details before submission. We are here to assist you every step of the way. So here we have submit document, check requirement, submit application. We have successfully applicant accepting your offer, apply for student visa. So these are the process the application will go through before you can gain the scholarship. So first of all, we have submit a submission of document. So here we are going to click and see what is there. So these are the documents needed for the application. It is 8. So you have to go through the documents and prepare them. So when you finish reading the required document, you come to this place next. So here we have check requirement. We have age requirement, which is 18 to 22. Minimum entry requirement. You have to read all this thing, understand it. We come to scholarship requirement, read it, understand it. We have a English requirement. You read it and understand it. So after that, we will click next. So this is where we are going to start the application. Submit your application. So you have to read this thing. What is next? You have to read all this thing. So after reading it and understanding, you will come to and click start your application. So here you need to sign up into the portal. So for me, I've already signed up. So let me log out. So when you click that link, this is what you are going to see. So they will ask you to sign up into the portal. So you are going to write your email and choose a password for it for you to be able to enter the portal. So for me, I've already signed up. I'm just going to log in. Welcome to Al-Bukhari International University online application. Apply for undergraduate program at Al-Bukhari International University. Complete all sections of the application form and submit your documents to apply. So here you are going to click continue filling the form. So this is the application form. So there are 5 steps that you are going through. First of all, you are going to fill the program section. This is where you are going to select the program that you want to apply. After that, you are going to fill personal information. After that, you are going to fill academic information. After that, financial information. After that, you upload your documents. After that, you fill declaration and upload the form that you have already downloaded and fill it. So this is where you are going to upload it. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So because I'm not going to apply, if I don't fill these things, I cannot go to the next steps. So this is how you can apply to these scholarships. It is very easy. And I wish that inshallah Allah will grant you this scholarship. So that's all for today. If you are dreaming of studying abroad for free, this could be your golden opportunity. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scholarship updates and application tips. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.